Welcome back, children. Let's continue learning divisibility. In the last class, you have learned divisibility by the number 2, 5, 10, 3, and 9. Today, we will continue learning the divisibility by 4 and 6. Continue writing these points in your notebook. Since it is of the same topic, you can continue writing it. You need not use a new page, just continue on the same page. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 only if its last two digits are divisible by 4 or are zeros. 4 ina a divide to whole number to a last two digits hey 24 ti te 36 ti te number lian nga mo he tiang ho hi 4 ina a divide the chuanin khang ho number kha they are divisible by 4 nia ani lo point a last two digit kha mo 0 patni a om chuan khang ho kha 4 in a divide the ti na. For example, take the number 7 just wait 7 4 8 2 4. This number is divisible by 4. Anything siya te a last two digit hi en na. Oh, last two digit a hen 24 om. 4 timetable a 24 om. 4 6 a 24. So therefore, this number, this very big number is divisible by 4. Let's take another example. 8 7 4 3 0 0. Is this number divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Atsansu last two digit hi 0 patni a oma wangin. It is divisible by 4. Alright. I hope divisibility by 4 is clear. Now let's move on to divisibility by 6. Numbers that are divisible by both 3 and 2 are also divisible by 6. Number 2 le 3 ina a divide the kha 6 tan po a divisibility nani. Oh, and 12 hi 2 in a divide thaya 3 po na divide thaya chuan ani chuan hi 6 in a divide thei ti na 24 po hi 2 le 3 na thaya 126 po hi 2 le 3 na thaya. So therefore, divisibility by 6, in order to know that number, that given number has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's move on to the next. Exercise 5.2 will be our homework. This is page 69. This is how you should do it. Write y if the number is divisible and n if it is not. Here are the numbers 63, 38, 79, 66, and 94. These are the numbers. And you have to search whether they are divisible by the given numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. If they are divisible, inside the box, you will write y. If not, you will write n. Let's start. 63, is it divisible by 2? No. 2 in a divide number, how to? It has to end with 02468. A last digit ka 02468 and iturani. Here the last digit is 3, so it is not divisible by 2. Write n here. And for 3 in a divisible m. Divisibility by 3, add the two digits. 6 plus 3, you got 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So you can write y here. Under 3, write y. And under 4, is it divisible by 4? No. Divisibility by 4, it has to be, the last two digit has to be 0 or either divisible by 4. 63 is not divisible by 4, so this is not divisible by 4. Take 5. Is 63 divisible by 5? No. How can you know it? divisibility by 5. In order to know that, the digit has to end with either 5 or 0. The last digit is 3. It is not 5 or 0, so this is not divisible by 5. You write n here. And under number 6, is it divisible by 6? No. It is not divisible by 2. Even though it is divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 2. So 63 is not divisible by 6. So you can write n here. Under 9, is it divisible by 9? Yes, 6 plus 3, you got 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So you can write y here. Is it divisible by 10? No. The last digit has to be 0 in order to be divisible by 10. So you can write n here. Do the remaining 38, 79, 66, and 94 will be your homework. Moving on to the next slide. Prime and composite numbers. This one, I want you to write it in a new page. Before you write the date and the heading on top, prime and composite numbers. And then you can start it writing. All right. A prime number is any number other than 1, which has only two factors, the number itself and the number 1. The number itself and the number 1. Example 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the examples. Number sem thei tu factor pahni cha nei te hi prime number an ni a. Chung asem thei tu de chu 1 le ama cha kha an ni zelang entir nan 2 hi asem thei tu chu 1 le ama chu cha an ni a. Chumi ni wang chuan prime number ani. Take 3. 3 hi 1 le 3 che in asem thei a. 5 po hi 1 le 5 che in asem thei a. 7 po 1 le 5 1 le 7 che in asem thei a. Chumi ni wang chuan katiang number 1 le ama number cha ina asem thei ho kha, we call it prime number. Prime number reng chuan factor pahni cha aneyang 1 le ama a kha. 9 to prime number ni lo achan chu 1 9 zar 9 ania 3 3 zar 9 ania factor anga o pahni aya tamani chumi ni wang chuan prime number ni lo. Let's move on to the next. Composite number. Composite number kan ti how to enge. A composite number is any number other than 1 which has more than 2 factors. 1 ni lo. Other than 1 ati hi 1 to atel lo. Which has more than 2 factors. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. Factor pahni aya tamne number how ka, we call it composite numbers. Composite number kan ti how to prime number ne na inleta a inlet thok anga nia asem thei tu pahni aya tam nei chin how ka composite number an ni chung te chu 4, 6, 8, 9 le number dang te how ka. Those are composite numbers. I want you to write prime numbers and composite numbers in your notebook on a new page. Do not use the previous page. Use on a new page. Write it on the new page, prime numbers and the composite numbers. This is your textbook, page 70 on top. Here, we are going to cross out the numbers given inside this box. That after crossing it out, by following the certain rules given inside the yellow box here, by following these rules, we are going to cross out the numbers between 1 to 100. Then after that, we are going to answer question number 1 of exercise 5.3, page 70. All right, now let's start doing it. The first one, cross 1 as it is neither prime nor composite. You have to cross 1. Cross out this one because it is neither prime nor composite. All right, you can just cross out one once. Just put a slash, it's enough. It's a little bit difficult for me, so just put 1 slash, it's enough. Number 2, leave 2 as it is prime number but cross all the products that appear on the table of 2. How do you know the divisibility of 2? It has the digit ends with 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All digits that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, leaving 2. 2 tiam lawa, a last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ho ka. In cross out vekang 4. Cross out 4. Cross out 6. Cross out 8. Cross out 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. All these numbers can be crossed out because it ends with 2. They are multiples of 2. You can cross out. This shows that all these numbers are not prime. Factor pa ni ayat man ne don't ti kha jiang sa ni zo. So you can cross them out all the digits that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Done. Next step, leave 3 as it is prime. Leave 3 as it is prime, but cross all its multiples. All right, we are going to leave 3. 3 hitsukanda awala nga, but we are going to cross all its multiples. 9 is a multiple of 3. 1 plus 1, 2, it is not a multiple of 3. 13 is not a multiple. 15 is a multiple of 3. 17, 7 plus 1 is 8, not a multiple of 3. 9 plus 1 is 10, not a multiple. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, it is a multiple. 2 plus 3 is 5, not a multiple of 3. 2 plus 5 is 7. It is not. 7 plus 2 is 9. It is 9, 10, 11. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes. 3 plus 5, 8. 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 7 plus 4 is 11. 9 plus 4 is 13. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 5, 4, 10. 5 and 7 is 12. 5 plus 9 is 14. 6 plus 1 is 7. 63. 11, 13, 15, 71, 7, 10, 12. 77, 7 plus 7 is 14, 9 plus 7 is 16, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 3 is 11, 8 plus 5 is 13, 8 plus 7 is 15, 8 plus 9 is 17, 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 plus 3 is 12, 9 plus 5 is 14, 9 plus 7 is 16, 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, now what are you going to leave 5 but cross all its multiples? Leave 5 but you have to cross all the multiples of 5. All the multiples of 5 ends with 5 and 0, so you can cross out all this 9. All right, in order to make it easy for you, you can cross out all this one, and all these things have 0 have already been crossed out. Then leave 7 but cross out all its multiples. Leave 7 but cross out the multiples of 7. 7 1 is 7. 14, 7 3s are 21. 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 49. 70s, 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are how much? 7 2s are 14, already been crossed out. 7 3s are 21, 7 13, 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 7 3s are 21, 91. All right, those are the things which have already been crossed out. Now, by using the things which you have already been crossed out, you are going to fill up the next exercise 5.3 by looking at the chart. All right, use this number list all the prime numbers less than 100. List all the prime numbers less than 100. You can write 2 3 5 7, 2 3 5 7 11, 13 17 19, 23 29. All the numbers which you do not cross out, you can write 31 37 41 43 47 53 59 61 67 71 73 8 79 83 89 97. All those are prime numbers less than 100. List the first prime 15 prime numbers. Ahma sa som panga prime numbers ahma sa som panga kha anwai che ahiani number b ahian in zakang. What are they? 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29 31 37 41 43 and 47 are the first prime numbers. Number 3, which is the greatest prime number less than 100? Among the numbers which you have written down, which is the greatest one? 97. Next, which number is neither prime nor composite? Prime number nilaw, composite number nilaw, katsu 1. And then the last one, which is the smallest composite number? The smallest composite number is 4. Factor pani ayatam ne masaber to number 4 hi ani. All right, I think we can end with that. Thank you, class. If you have any problem, watch the video again and again and try to understand. Prime numbers and composite numbers are very important. Do not forget to do your assignment. Your assignment is exercise 5.2. Do not forget to submit your assignments. Thank you.